Okay, first, let's give it, okay. Ready? Good evening, guys. I figured out how to adjust the clock of this microwave. It's a GEEPAS. Maybe we'll put the model later on. It was not that easy because the clock actually is not giving, the mode is not adjusting, and we tried pushing everything, it never worked. So until we figured it out. First, you click on the clock here and then cancel. Then you enter the time as on the dial pad, but it's in 12 hours mode, not 24. So time is 9:19 and press clock. That's it. Very easy, very simple. In case you want to reset it again to 0, it wouldn't go to 0. Just unplug it, unplug the microwave, and it will be back to 1001 again.